Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is an absolute game changer for any kitchen. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's your all-in-one kitchen assistant, replacing 9 different appliances, from a slow cooker to a yogurt maker. Imagine decluttering your countertops and whipping up gourmet meals in a fraction of the time. It truly makes meal prep effortless. With 15 smart customizable programs, cooking is as simple as pressing a button, whether you're making soup, rice, or even sterilizing bottles. No more guessing or complicated recipes. These presets ensure perfect results every time, perfect for busy families or aspiring home chefs looking to buy. Durability meets health with the premium stainless steel inner pot, offering superior cooking and easy cleanup without any non-stick worries. This thoughtful design means consistent heat distribution and a healthier cooking experience, setting it apart from other multi-cookers on the market. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade in 2025, check out the Amazon link in the description to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus. Seriously, this appliance is a must-have for anyone wanting to save time, eat healthier, and enjoy cooking more. It's the ultimate kitchen essential. Don't wait to transform your culinary journey. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is definitely worth the investment.